Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this Massey Ferguson Tractor. This is by Maisto and it's part of their mini work machine line of diecast. First glance, it looks like a nice casting. I don't usually have that many tractors on my channel, but funny enough, I went to buy something in a hardware store and saw these. By these, I mean I've got another one, which will come after this. And this looks good. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Massey tractor out of the box. And it looks like a nice casting. Sure. Even if you look from the side, you can see the tires. Obviously tractors have big tires. But even the wheels, they kind of mimic the original wheels you see on a tractor. It's good details to start. Obviously it has got that classic red Massey color. Got an enclosed cabin with a seat, steering and other controls inside. From the side you can see there is a step to climb. I don't know if it's the fuel tank, but there is some kind of tank here. Also you can see Massey written there with the model number, which is, I think it's 88.265. I'm not pretty sure about it. If I move to the front, up front you can see there are nice details. You've got detailed headlamps, you've got the Massey badge, attachments for, I think, for putting weights. Some more attachments, I don't know what they are for, but good details. Coming to the other side, you can see the exhaust on this side, which comes out. Again, as I was talking about the wheels, if you see, they kind of mimic the original wheels from a tractor. I don't know if you can have a closer look. You see, there's the seat, other controls inside. You've got the roof. This slightly moves. I don't know if it doesn't. The actual tractor is just disgusting. Also got the steps on this side. Again, which looks good. Coming to the rear, I can see place for tail lamps, but I don't see any. You've got the attachments for attaching trailer and other stuff in the back for farming, obviously. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So overall, I really like this one. I think I had few tractors from Hot Wheels and Matchbox, but this one looks really good. It's really nice. Let me know what do you think about this. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.